Today, I'm gonna show you how to take this and turn it into this. Let's go bake it. One might say I'm addicted to chocolate. Yes, I am. And today is all about chocolate. We're making a chocolate truffle from scratch, handmade, hand-rolled, gluten-free, low sugar, simple ingredients. We have glucose, full fat cream, unsalted butter, and the finest 70% chocolate. First thing we want to do is melt our chocolate in the microwave, or you could do it on a double boiler on your stove. If we're melting our chocolate in the microwave, we want to do about 20-second increments. We don't want to burn that chocolate. Once that's melted, we'll set that aside. We're going to combine our glucose into our cream, then we're going to heat that up in the microwave. Little trick when you're working with glucose or corn syrup and you're using a spoon to get it all off, use water on your fingers. Now we want to start the emulsification part of the ganache. I'm gonna drop my chocolate into here. You don't want to directly throw all that cream straight into your chocolate. You want to mix in thirds, little by little. And now we just want to bring that together. The most important step is at the very end when we add the last amount of cream. That's when we're really gonna beat it hard and we're gonna bring that emulsification together, and you'll see how smooth and shiny it becomes. Now that that cream and the chocolate are together, it's a little warm, but we want to cool that down just a bit to about 32 to 35 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we can emulsify our butter in. Not a lot of butter, just a little bit. Good. Done. Now, I'm going to transfer this into a deli cup. We want to allow this ganache to sit and crystallize for a few hours. Preferably a day. You can sit this out overnight, but if you're in a rush, stick it in the fridge. If you have a couple hours before people are coming over, or you want to serve these or hand these out to something, put them in the fridge for about an hour and let that ganache sit. If that ganache is fully firm in the fridge, bring it out, let it sit at room temp for about 20 minutes, and then it's pliable and easy to roll. You can use a spoon. I like to use those, I guess this is a little melon ball tool. The key here is you always want hot water. So I boiled some water, I put it in a jar. All I'm gonna do is push it in and then turn it. Perfect little rounds. If you ever have a chance to stop by my pastry shop, Temper Pastry, you'll see we have a huge chocolate variety, and this is how we make our ganaches. So all of our ganaches in our shop are handmade. You can check that out online. You can actually shop online and buy chocolates. We ship everywhere. From this stage, we can directly drop them in cocoa powder, roll them around, and they're ready to go. Or you could temper some chocolate, roll a thin layer of the tempered chocolate on the truffle, then roll them in the cocoa powder. So when you bite into that truffle, you get that crunch from the chocolate, so you're working with two different textures. But you see how easy that is? I mean, simple. Let's sit down. I'm gonna show you a cocktail that will go perfect with these truffles. We'll relax, we'll have a refreshing beverage. I mean, this is a perfect day. This is a simple cocktail today. Ice, cup, Bailey's, I don't care how much you put in that cup. Take your melted ganache in, and voila, Bailey's on ice with a melted chocolate truffle inside. You can't get much better than that. OMG, this is gonna be a good afternoon. I am set, and I will see you next time. If you love this recipe, like and subscribe for more like this. Also, don't forget to shop online, temperpastry.com, where we have all kinds of chocolate. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.